Hello everyone, I have been posting consistently on this channel from last 1 month, and here is a complete recap and detailed analytics of how my 1 month across this platform has gotten me results. So let's talk about my schedule first. So I have been posting shorts every other day and YouTube long form videos once in a week. So now it's not necessary that you have to follow the same schedule as mine, but this pace is very manageable for me as I'm also repurposing my Instagram content on the shorts. I'm thinking to increase the long form videos, like the frequency of it, but let's see, I'm just experimenting on that too. As of my subscribers, I'm totally opting for the organic growth. I'm not sharing it across my friends and family every other day. I'm doing it once in a week probably, and that too like not very oftenly. So I'm completely focusing on the organic part because I think that is when the algorithm will push your videos more to the new audience and the audience that are interested in the same content. So I am actually posting content, like if you have already seen my channel you know, but if not then I'm posting content for social media managers and coaches so that they can attract high paying clients for the business on social media. So as of now, I'm completely enjoying the process. There is no burnout kind of thing. I'm quite easily able to be consistent on this platform. Also, I've been seeing a lot of new subscribers as well on this channel. Like the frequency of subscribers have also increased every time I post long form videos or shorts. So that is also a significant win, I can say. So far this channel has exceeded my expectations and I'm quite happy with the responses and results that I've been getting. Also, before I continue, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would like you to subscribe to it and also share the videos you find relatable to your friends or known people who will find it helpful as well. Let me show you my dashboard and few analytical terms that you need to know when you are tracking your progress. And after that, I will also let you know some lessons or some tips that I have came across in the last 1 month.
So this is my dashboard and here are the analytics. I have accumulated around 3.8k views, 18.5 watch time hours and gained 28 new subscribers in the last 1 month. So this is probably of the week of the previous 28 days. This is of the month. So regarding my top performing content, my video on the step-by-step guide to becoming a social media manager did particularly well, with most viewers coming from the YouTube's browse feature. And for my shorts, the majority of views are coming from the shorts feed. So when looking at the traffic sources, most of my views are coming from the shorts and browse feeds.
So here is what I have learned so far in the last 1 month from this channel. Firstly, the videos that start with longer introductions do not really perform well. I don't know if it's with me or it's with everyone, but the videos which are starting from the starting and talking straight on the point on the topic from the start, that type of videos are really working well. So I would suggest you to not go with the longer introductions when you are starting out or whenever you are starting a long form video. I'm talking about the long form video, and also just dive into the topic straight when you start the video. Additionally, about the content, evergreen topics are really working well. I know that evergreen topics have a lot of videos already made solving people's problem, but I don't know, I think people find it very relatable to know different opinions on their problems. So I think even though the evergreen content has videos made on that, I would suggest you to make video on that as well. Do not skip it just because a lot of videos are being made on that topic. Also, a very important point is that posting consistently is also very important. I've been consistent throughout the month and you can see through the analytics that really this platform is really working well. So consistency is the key. Also about the content, I think I still am experimenting a lot with it, and I think I would be able to talk about it after a month or two, that what really works well, because right now I'm not in that position to actually talk about that. But yeah, if you like this video, I can also post this after every month so that you can know what type of content works and what type of content YouTube pushes forward. So that's it for today's video. I know it's a very short video because this was just a recap of what is working for me, what is not working for me, and what are the responses and results that I've gotten in the last 1 month on this channel. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video till now. And also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do subscribe it, and do not forget to follow me on Instagram as well, where you can see the BTS of how I work with my clients.